Hello and welcome to MTD CNC India. Today we are here at Haas Open House meeting organized by Manav Marketing and Autodesk. And I'm here with my friends Mr. Venugopal and Mr. Shamu from Manav Marketing team. Thank you, sir. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you, sir.
So you have been working with Haas machines for more than 2 decades,
Two decades,
right?
yeah.
So you are well versed with Haas machines and lot of applications you have seen in
Yes,
last these
yes,
20,
yes,
more than 20 years,
yes,
right?
yes.
So can you explain me what kind of applications you are working on? You have worked earlier and now.
Yes,
What is
sir.
the
We
difference?
earlier also we worked with the OS machine from past 24 years,
Wow,
and we did so many projects like nuclear projects and defense projects and aerospace projects, and parallelly automotive projects also. We are very familiar with the OS machine, and OS machine is a very machine to easy to train the people very easily. It is a user friendly to operator. Therefore, all the people like our machines. Therefore, it is a very popular machine in the all over the world. We did a lot of projects in that one.
definitely.
So we proved very critical component, high finished component also, and also we supply to medical machine for to manufacture medical components also. Lot of projects we did in these machines. We are very familiar with this machine, and also our operators and all are very familiar with this.
Impressive. So what kind? Can you give me an example? Where you have solved a very tricky problem with your Haas machine.
You heard about on that MRI scanning machines. We to manufacture some components in MRI scanning machines, and you heard about on that what is that cancer chemotherapy machine. In that also our machine is machine used for manufacture components like
Impressive.
that. Yeah, so many projects we did electric projects, and we supplied to so many aerospace companies also. We did tricky projects in aerospace also.
Very nice. So, what has been your experience, sir, about this Haas machine?
Yeah, I have been in touch with Haas machines since the year 1997 until today. I got a great experience of Haas machines. I touched the first machine of VF1 in the year 1997,
Wow,
and since since then I touched from the smaller machine, the tool room mill until VF11. I have worked in all the machines, and the experience is very great. And the beauty of horse control is it is very user friendly, and I am the trainer of for the horse machine users, and I can train the people within 2 or 3 days. They
wow.
can handle the machines with lot of ease. That is the plus point what I am telling right now at this moment.
I would also like to get trained from you within two
Yeah,
three days.
Yeah,
can
sure.
can I will
Can,
train you within two
can.
days. Can.
Great. So, right now we are here at Haas Open House, right? So, what was the purpose of this open house meeting? Can you please explain what was the response of this meeting?
Yeah. Since yesterday, we got a good turnaround of our customers, and they are very happy with the arrangements what we have made with the tooling, and the Autodesk people and the Blazer, this one coolant system, and along with our compressor suppliers and the stabilizer suppliers. They got a good experience because we have a whole package what the new customer needs. We got the whole package here. That's the positive point what we have got from our customers.
Definitely, I think this was a very successful show for you.
Yes.
Lots
Very
of
good.
customers are coming,
Yes.
prospect.
It's a very
They're
good successful for our mono marketing, and we hope for the best.
great. So this is a very impressive infrastructure here at Haas
Yes,
Factory
yes.
Outlet. So can you explain me what are you doing at this floor and the next floors?
See, this is we the own facility, and we have a first floor having a that demo center and all the training center and all the facilities there. This is the ground floor. We are having a machine demo center. We are taking around live demos here and very theoretical and any demos from software and all we are doing in the first floor. This is a good facility, and we are appreciated from all our customers also. You have a good facility here.
Oh, that's a very impressive. You are
Yes.
absolutely right. This is a
Mm.
very impressive facility and right in the heart of Bangalore, Peenya Industrial Area, which is biggest in Asia,
Yes, and
right?
also it is accessibility to the any people come here and metro is nearby here.
Yes.
Easily we can accessibility. This is a place.
Great.
Yeah.
I think it was a wonderful show for you, and I wish you all the best. That
Yes.
you will get more and more different and tougher applications, which will
Yes,
you
sir.
will
Yes,
get a
sir.
better
Yes,
experience
sir.
and knowledge.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a
Yeah,
lot
we will,
for
we will take the challenge. We will
Yes.
take the challenge.
Thank you, sir. Thank you
Thank you.
opportunity
Thank
to
you
give
for
an
joining.
interview to us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks a
Thank
lot.
you, sir.